Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Bro Speak English, the podcast for people who love English and food. I'm Denny, and I never say no to a second breakfast.
And I'm Alina. I love food, I love talking about food, and yes, I'm always hungry after our recordings. Today's topic, food and meals.
Because let's be honest, we all eat, and we all love talking about it.
Especially when someone says, "What's for lunch?"
Or my favorite, do you want pizza? The answer is always yes.
Let's start with the basics, meals of the day. We have breakfast in the morning, lunch around midday, dinner in the evening.
And sometimes snacks between meals, like 5 snacks, small ones, but still snacks.
And let's not forget brunch, breakfast plus lunch. Perfect for lazy Sundays.
Yes, and after dinner, there's dessert. Cake, ice cream, happiness.
Denny, what do you usually eat for breakfast?
Oh, easy. Toast with butter, eggs, and tea. Sometimes pancakes. And when I feel fancy, 2 pancakes.
Nice. I usually eat yogurt with fruit, but if I'm late, just coffee.
The famous liquid breakfast.
Exactly. And for lunch?
Sandwich, soup, maybe pasta. And when I forget to cook, something from the fridge. Yesterday, 3 cookies and a tomato. Not proud, but honest.
That's creative. I usually eat rice with vegetables, or a big salad with chicken.
Healthy. And dinner.
Soup again, or potatoes, or sometimes just bread and cheese. Simple, but good.
I like pizza, or anything that arrives fast and hot. Delivery food is my friend.
Okay, let's talk about favorite food. What's your favorite meal?
Pizza, easy answer. Any kind, anytime.
For me, pasta with cheese. Lots of cheese. And for dessert, chocolate cake.
Now I'm hungry.
Me too. Why do we do this to ourselves?
For our listeners, let's give them some useful food words. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack, dessert, brunch. Toast, eggs, soup, sandwich, pasta, rice, salad, pizza, chicken.
Also, I'm hungry. What's for dinner? Do you want something to eat? Let's order food. I love cooking. I hate washing dishes.
And one more. I'm full, when you can't eat more. Or just one more bite, when you lie to yourself.
Story of my life.
Food is a great topic for small talk. At work, people say, "Did you have breakfast? What did you bring for lunch? Where should we go for dinner?"
Or my favorite question from friends, are you hungry? Even if the answer is always yes.
And in restaurants, "I'll have the chicken, please. Can I see the menu? Can I get this without onions? Could I have some water, please?"
Also useful, to go for takeaway. In to stay at the restaurant.
Alina, do you like cooking?
Yes, but only when I have time and energy. Sometimes I just stare at the fridge and hope food appears.
Magic fridge. I do that too.
And you?
I cook, but my fire alarm doesn't like my cooking. It's too sensitive.
Maybe it just wants to eat too.
Maybe. And when I really don't want to cook, I say, cereal is also dinner. Simple, fast, no regrets.
So, today we talked about food and meals. Now you know how to talk about breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks.
And remember, it's okay to love food and English at the same time. They go well together. Thank you for listening. Now, let's find some snacks.
And now is the perfect time to like this video and subscribe to our channel.